Hello friend, welcome back to Kotlin tutorial. This is Kotlin009. In this video, we'll play with random numbers. It's important, right, to know how to create random numbers easily. So we'll create a new file. So yeah, under this one, right, don't mess up with this Android test. We don't need that. We are using this folder, right? Right click here and new Kotlin class of file. Give a name, so random numbers, something like that. Enter. Do you want, okay, remember, don't ask again. Okay, so we want to add this file into our Git control. Let's play with the max, the greatest a bunch of random numbers. Okay, so test that. So our function is max of random numbers. Let's play with that. And yeah, so one way to do that is we have a for loop, right? For example, I in 0 dot dot, let's create 10 of them. Let's create 10 of them, random numbers. Okay, so random dot next integer, right? And something like that, less than 100. We are ren int equals that. Okay, so we'll create 10 of them, actually 11. This is 10. Okay, so now if we want to find the maximum, we'll do like maximum, right, equals is there something like that, int dot maximum? Oh yeah, minimum. Yeah, cool. So we can compare with, right, if rand in is greater than m, then we'll replace m with random number. Then after that, right, we can print out max. Oh, do we need to print out all of them? Yeah, so let's show the random number itself. Okay, so print, let's do something like that, random int and the space, and the max equals to max, right, m. That, give it a try, run it by clicking here, run. Max is 95. Yes, cool, right? If we run again, we should be able to see a different group of random numbers. Now what is the maximum? 82. Yeah, it works. By the way, there's an underscore, right, underline below the m, right? It's a decoration. There's nothing wrong with the name, so it means reassign the variable. Okay, reassigned variable. That's a decoration provided by Android Studio, so it's not an error. Okay, cool. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.